Ni hao. Mayong adlaw sa tanan diha karon na ako diri sa atbang sa Andox, nagatang kong sa Maxim kay atong inamawan ng Maxim padung magprogramos nagpapok naman ko. Kumbalibet. Shoy all iPhone no. Ni hao.
Sir, maing hapon.
You Philippine?
Sir, maing hapon. Kailang mo, sir.
Awa. Kailan mo dahil si
Kailang ko
Maxim.
rin kung tana sa yung video, sir.
Tutyo tani. Palpak man.
Kailang
Iya.
ko rin, sir. Sige, kung tanaw sa imuhang video, sir.
Apa lami?
Kapit kung maila, sir.
Shoy all iPhone na Totyo. Ato na lang ko maginamaw guys sa Ramos. Ang itatag kay namawan dito mga kananan ba? Ato ta maginamaw, ha? Kay di man tayo mabiktima si boss. Mga may gining mga Maxim di mailad.
Nagkailang ko rin, sir, sa tanaw sa video ni mo.
Oh, salamat kayo.
Oo, yung tanaw, lingaw kay ko.
Alright guys. Sulob na tas pang malakas na itong kalo. Abot na ta diri sa Ramos. Boss Dunard wa ko gipapliti ani.
Okay.
Shout out kay gusto ta ng Maxim Rider. Labi na ni Boss Dunard.
Okay.
Ilibre kog pliti. Salamat kayo kusa.
Salamat,
Thank you
sir.
kayo.
Okay.
Alright,
Salamat,
tara.
sakay dyan sa Maxim, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Ari tay namaw guys ay watch till the end sad mo kay maginamaw tag Maxim Rider unya. Tara. Food.
Yes, sir. What do you want, sir?
需要哪一种呢？哪一种
Yes.
？Best seller?
Best seller, sir, is country chicken, spicy wings, pork chop, burger steak. CC.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Try best seller.
Which one, sir?
You recommend.
This country chicken, sir, 2 pieces.
Okay. Try.
Yes, sir.
上来然后呢 You Philippine?
Yes, sir.
Want me 1 month next to Taiwan.
Yes, that one.
Good.
Yes, sir. Anything else?
You recommend.
Do you want drink?
Try.
Do you want a drink?
Try a different.
A different kind of food, sir. You have CC.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Philippine?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Try.
Okay.
Another best seller.
Another best seller, sir, is you have the burger steak. Yes.
Good.
So, 1 burger steak.
Yeah. Try.
Yes.
上菜呀来风咯，来平啦。首先好似啊話萬年一班一千，如果碌水在人嚟講
Sir, I can actually understand. But,
small English small，
okay, sir. So, is this all, sir?
上菜嚟講，嚟平啦啊先睇黃風啊，我萬年一班呢一千呢樣上對嘅，落飛台灣
Sir, I actually don't understand you.
先菜嚟風咯嗱，recting 話
Yeah.
fruit shakes
Fruit shake, sir. We have fruit shake, yes.
good
Yes, sir.
try
Okay, sir.
先有嚟風咯呢呢冷風話，you cook
Yes, sir. We'll cook it right now.
you
And are you willing to wait, sir? At least 15 minutes.
wait
Yes, sir. You can have a sip first.
watch
Okay,
Good.
sir. Yes. Sir.
okay
Yes, sir. It's okay.
cook
Yes, sir. Cook.
Philippine
Yes.
cook
This is the cook, and that is my supervisor there. Yes. And I am the cashier.
you
I am the cashier. Yes.
owner
No, sir.
cashier
Just an employee.
風年呢生呀我明白呢那窗呢
What is this?
那窗呢 food 那窗
What no? What is this?
yatani
All right, sir.
yatani spice yatani
And also, it's not heavily spiced. No. It's
想
actually
要嚟
dry.
風咯影呢相對樣嚟呢風咯一等話yatani 一次呢如果碌錢呢風咯有一些台灣呢係落飛話
Yes, sir. I really don't understand.
yatani
What is a tani, sir? You don't know what's tani.
Kanang kuan ba? Kanang gamay nga bitaw sa kuan.
Liman mo kasi? Liman mo kasi? Kadyo ko na? Bantay na ko na magkuhan din bro, mag-isaya din. Siguro tanaw. Ito lang ako. Junior laro ko. Ilag isa. Ilag ko eh. Katawa ko na
Alright, na-prank na ako sila din. Alright, magkaon sa ta guys. Atong tilawan ang mga pagkain ng mga immortal diri sa Sir Erot. Ako sang gipaluto. Mga nanaang food guys, mga best sellers akong gipang order na sizzling sisig, sizzling burger steak nga na duha ka patty, baga pigid kayo ang patty niya. 2-piece chicken with rice and gravy. Ya ang ako ang panghimagas dragon fruit o mango shake. Alright, tara food trip ta. Sisig. Nami kay ilang sisig kay dili bidli ba? Dili kayo siya oily. 2-piece chicken guys. Nagko kay hiway lang chicken no. Wa yung titihik ba? Juicy ang inside, crunchy ang outside. Aprobado gyapon ng chicken. Burger steak. Bagaas patty oy. 2-piece burger steak with rice and gravy. Kung ko katilaw burger steak nga humo kayo or matunaw sa ba fruit shake, dragon fruit. Season ron sa mangga. Perfect kayo. Init kayo sa gawas na-shake nga bugnaw kayo. Dipin sa heat stroke wa. Guys, gusto kayo lamay kayong mga pagkaon diri sa Sir Erot. Aprobado kayo, pang immortal kayo ba? Naani sila diri sa F. Ramos Street at bangan ng 7-Eleven. Iniglabang nimo, naanan diri makita nimo ang Sir Erot. Daghan sila mga pagkaon diri na mga sizzling. Nasa sila yung mga shakes. So daghan kag kapilian. Tara inamaw ta. You Edmond?
Yes.
Okay. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Potseke.
匈牙来风咯。Me Wamanis.
Okay.
Next to Taiwan. 从台湾来风咯。Good?
Yeah. Good.
No traffic?
Depend on the area.
Area.
Yeah, the place depend on the
Depend the place. 现在风咯现代na rakutin na sushi fuji Wamani yatani itsenep. You could driver? You could driver? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. You could driver. Good.
You can use a seatbelt.
Seat belt?
Yeah, the seatbelt car.
Here?
No, for
像传言那风咯，赢呢？
this one. For example. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Because now is
Danger?
no, this time
Not
is
safe?
police.
Police? You police?
No. The police is asking belt for safety.
Safety. Yeah. Require. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. Philippine. 新年的风咯，赢那风推呢？新年风。Wamani yatani itsenep.
Yeah.
Wamani yatani itsenep. You look.
Yeah.
SM.
Yeah. That's
Yeah. 新shine 来风咯呢？You race? No. No. Only taxi.
Taxi.
Yeah. Taxi. Good taxi.
They have also
Maxim.
motor rider. They have
Yeah.
also a taxi like that.
Motorcycle.
Like that was a Maxim car.
Maxim car.
Maxim taxi. They have a Maxim motorcycle also.
Okay. 新年来风咯呢？You married?
Yeah.
Good. You good husband. Family.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. Good husband. 新年呢，you could look driver 熊呢。有晚来风那应等外新大，你演呢？Far? Far?
Not so far. It's a bit rare traffic, little traffic.
Small traffic.
Taiwan, yeah, from Taiwan.
Next to Taiwan.
What's the
Wamanis.
Awamanis?
Yeah, Wamanis.
Is belong China? No.
Yeah, Asia. 新年来风
It's a country, Wamanis.
Yeah, Waman. Next to Taiwan.
It's a country or it's belong Taiwan?
Belong.
Belong
Yeah.
Taiwan?
Yeah.
It's an island.
Small.
Ah,
Yeah. 西安嘞，然后风嘞，那我们西安那我们呢西安嘞讲那一点那twang呢，那twang呢我们， 那twang呢我们是那台湾。You hi. Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Name?
Edmond.
Edmond.
Taxi driver
Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Good.
Maxim driver.
Maxim. Yeah. Good. Approve. 西安嘞风咯，西台那wong no, yun ne. Pila nagkargatuig na masayro. Komedya rin ito. Pero kasi, komedya rin ito.
Vlog na mo ha?
Vlog.
May kaibaw na ka sa Chinese ka?
Komedya rin ako, boss ha?
Oo, that's okay.
That's okay.
No Chinese pantay mo ha?
Woman.
Pero nakan sa Pilipinas ang kuyo.
Oh, taod ako dire. Nakat-on ako dire. Kung Bisaya.